You guys, look at all of these brand new highlighters from Moira Cosmetics. So here are all of these shades that they launched. There are 8 of them. Here are some of these shades closer up. You can see they are very reflective. It looks like they might have a little bit of glitter in it, so let's go ahead and test them out. So the full name of this is the Dreamlight Highlighter, and I'm going to use shade 7, which is Reckless Love. Let me just talk about how beautiful this is inside of the pan. I'm going to use a tiny brush to apply this because I want to keep it pretty concentrated. So let's see. Ooh, yeah. Okay, let's tap off a little bit and go for it. Oh yeah, okay, so there's definitely glitter inside of it. Okay, that's actually really pretty though. Oh wow. I don't know if you guys, yeah, I know you guys can see that. You can see the glitter. Yeah, so if you don't like a glitter, oh look, you can't see it. Okay, look, there's no cast. When I look forward, you can't see that there's highlighter on my cheeks. But I don't mind the glitter at all. Usually I don't like glitter, but if that's what you're going for, this would be a very, very good product. Let's do a little bit on the nose. So if you like a strong highlighter, you're gonna like this because this is instant like payoff. You instantly get that highlight effect and you don't have to use much product. So these highlighters are $8.50. So I definitely think that's a good price point. It definitely competes with the drugstore and I think it is beautiful.